Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 11s smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, if we'll enter the display and brightness category of settings and expand the available options as per the screen timeout, we'll see that the default means of the system allow us to set the time value for the sleep timeout or screen timeout to the maximum amount of 30 minutes. Therefore, if we still would like to set it to never, there is the third-party free application that is called Caffeine, so let's download it as well as install, obviously. Now all that is left to do is to open it and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and basically as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in an idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.